Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into PayPal application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. PayPal is an American company operating an online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers. It serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods such as checks and money orders. If you'd like to log into your PayPal account with the application, first go tap Open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in PayPal and make your search. You'll be able to find the application in the search results soon after you make your search. Now, what you'll need to do is simply tap on the install button in green right next to the application, and soon after you do that, your download for your PayPal application will begin. Wait until the download is done. Your download speed depends entirely upon the speed of your internet, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet in order to successfully download the application. After the application has been downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the application. In order to log in, tap on the Login button at the bottom left corner. Now, into the email address text box, type in your email address that is associated with PayPal. Now, head over to the password text box and type in your password. Make sure to type in your password correct, and if you'd like to double check your password, you can tap on the eye icon in the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, simply tap on Forgotten Password link right below the password box so that you can follow the instructions and reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the screen, follow the instructions and register yourself to a new account. After you're done typing in all the details for your login, tap on the Login button, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be logged into your PayPal account. Now you can send and receive money, link a card to set up your payment method, purchase or sell goods and services, make or receive donations, exchange cash with someone, and much more. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.